Hey there! Today's video tackles a common problem that users may encounter when trying to install Carnac via Scoop. The installation process throws a requirement error stating that the .NET Framework 4.5.2 is needed, even if manually installed. It can be quite frustrating to deal with this issue, right? Now, diving into the solution provided, it turns out that the mention of .NET Framework 4.5.2 being required is simply a note included in the Scoop recipe for Carnac. Interestingly, this note can be disregarded entirely. Carnac should run smoothly on Windows 11 with a more recent .NET 4.x version. So, there's no need to worry about that specific requirement. To wrap things up, remember that Carnac compatibility with a newer .NET version is indicated on the home page and verified by users. The mention of .NET Framework 4.5.2 can be safely ignored during installation. So, next time you face this error, just remember this simple workaround and enjoy using Carnac hassle-free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech mishaps you've encountered recently. Happy computing, and see you in the next video.